Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home, and in a barndominium, it's where rustic style meets modern brilliance. If you're planning your dream barndo, or just looking for some incredible design inspiration, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into stunning barndominium kitchen ideas that truly wow. We'll cover creative layouts, gorgeous finishes, and design hacks for every single budget. Let's get started. So, what makes a barndominium kitchen so special? First, it's all about the open concept layout. Unlike traditional homes, barndo kitchens flow naturally into the living and dining spaces, creating one large, unified area that's perfect for family gatherings and entertaining. You're not just cooking in a separate room, you're part of the action. Then, you have those signature high ceilings and massive windows. This architecture floods the kitchen with natural light, making the space feel incredibly bright, airy, and expansive. It's a feature that instantly elevates the entire home. And finally, the unique blend of styles. Barndo kitchens masterfully mix rustic farmhouse charm with sleek industrial or modern design elements, creating a look that is both timeless and totally unique. Let's explore some of the most popular design styles that work perfectly in a barndominium. First up, the classic modern farmhouse. Think crisp white cabinets, exposed wood beams overhead, and bold black fixtures and hardware. It's clean, inviting, and effortlessly chic. Next, we have rustic industrial. This style embraces the raw, structural elements of the barndo. Picture open metal shelving, a rugged brick backsplash, and statement pendant lights hanging over a large island. It's a look that feels authentic, strong, and full of character. If you prefer something more streamlined, minimalist modern might be for you. This style is all about clean lines, handleless cabinets, and clever hidden storage solutions. With a neutral color palette and uncluttered surfaces, it creates a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. And for those who love a cozy, lived-in feel, there's country chic. This style incorporates vintage accents, warm wood finishes on countertops or islands, and iconic apron-front sinks. It's a look that feels warm, welcoming, and full of charm. Now, let's talk about those must-have features that will make your kitchen unforgettable. An oversized kitchen island is non-negotiable for many barndo owners. It's not just for prep work, it's a central hub for homework, casual meals, and entertaining guests. Make it a statement piece with a waterfall countertop or contrasting color. Another wow factor combination is open shelving paired with a statement range hood. The open shelves are perfect for displaying your favorite dishes or rustic decor, while a striking hood in copper, wood, or matte black acts as a stunning focal point. Of course, we have to mention the farmhouse sink. It's practically a staple in barndo kitchens for a reason. It's both beautiful and incredibly functional. Pair it with durable and stylish countertops like quartz for a polished look or butcher block for a warmer, more rustic feel. To enhance the barn-inspired aesthetic, consider adding a sliding barn door to your pantry or an adjoining laundry room. It saves space, adds visual interest, and reinforces that signature barndo charm. And don't forget lighting. Modern fixtures like industrial pendants or discrete recessed LEDs can completely transform the mood of your kitchen, highlighting all your beautiful design choices. Getting the layout right is crucial for a functional kitchen. L-shaped and U-shaped layouts are fantastic for creating an efficient workflow, keeping your fridge, sink, and stove within a few steps of each other, what designers call the kitchen triangle. When planning your island, be sure to include bar seating. It's the perfect spot for your family to gather for a quick breakfast or for friends to chat with you while you cook. It makes the kitchen a truly social space. Storage needs to be smart, especially in an open concept area where clutter can be easily seen. Use vertical space with cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. And incorporate clever solutions like pull-out drawers, corner carousels, and hidden spice racks to keep everything organized and out of sight. Remember to balance your materials. Mixing wood, metal, and stone adds texture and depth, preventing the large, open space from feeling flat. Wondering what's trending for 2025? Let's look at the latest finishes. Hardware is making a big statement, with matte black and brushed gold continuing to dominate. They add a touch of luxury and contrast beautifully against popular cabinet colors. Speaking of cabinets, while white is always a classic, we're seeing a huge surge in earthy tones like sage green, deep navy, and warm grayish. These colors add personality and warmth. For backsplashes, texture is key. Think zellage tiles, vertically stacked subway tiles, or even a slab of the same material as your countertop for a seamless look. And underfoot, polished concrete and wide plank wood or luxury vinyl floors remain top choices for their durability and style. Now, a stunning kitchen doesn't have to break the bank. You can get a high-end look on a budget. The secret is to mix and match. Splurge on one or two statement items, like your countertops or a designer light fixture, and save on others. For example, a DIY backsplash using peel and stick tiles or a fresh coat of paint on existing cabinets can provide an instant, affordable upgrade. Opting for prefab cabinets from stores like IKEA and pairing them with open shelving is another fantastic way to cut costs without sacrificing style. The open shelves break up the cabinetry and give you a place to add personal touches. Let's look at a few real-life examples. Here's a gorgeous luxury barndo kitchen that embraces the modern farmhouse style. Notice the massive island with a quartz waterfall edge, the custom white cabinetry reaching the ceiling, and those beautiful wooden beams. The standout feature here is definitely the professional-grade range with that dramatic, custom-built vent hood. The gold hardware adds just the right amount of glam. Now for a more budget-conscious, but equally beautiful example. This kitchen uses a simple L-shaped layout with affordable shaker-style cabinets. The owners saved money by choosing a laminate countertop that mimics the look of butcher block and installed their own subway tile backsplash. Their standout feature? The clever use of a vibrant color on the island to create a fun, personalized focal point. It just goes to show you don't need a massive budget to create something truly special. So there you have it. Whether you love rustic charm, sleek modern vibes, or something in between, your barndominium kitchen can be both beautiful and functional. It just takes a little creativity and planning. We hope these ideas have inspired you to start designing the kitchen of your dreams. What was your favorite idea from today's video? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more barndominium interior ideas and design trends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.